Hey guys, do you want to build your chest at home with no equipment? All right, I'm talking a quick workout you can do anywhere. If you do, stick around, make sure you watch this video, and I'm gonna give you the perfect workout. Hey, what's up guys? Gary Walker here with liveanabolic.com. In this video, I'm gonna take you through a quick chest workout that you can do basically anywhere, all right? I'm gonna do it at home using a chair. However, if you're at a park, you can use a bench. All you need is something to elevate yourself with slightly, and you can get a tremendous workout, all right? So here's what we're gonna do. 4 exercises, all push-up variations, all right? You're gonna wanna shoot for 10 reps of each, up to 25 reps for each. So we're talking a giant set, back to back to back to back, all right? We're gonna go 10, 10, 10, 10, or 25, 25, 25, 25, all depending on your current fitness and conditioning levels. So completely up to you. But for the sake of the video, I'm gonna slow it down a little bit, and we're only gonna focus on 10 reps. So I'll show you 40 quick reps. It's gonna give you a tremendous chest pump. And again, the good thing is you can do it anywhere, all right? So the first exercise we are gonna do is an incline upper chest movement. So you're gonna do the incline version by placing your feet up on a higher object. I'm gonna utilize a chair. So for the chair, we're gonna do 10 reps here. Good stretch, good contraction. 2, 7, slow, control. 9, 10. You're gonna go straight in, straight from that movement to your hands on the chair. This is actually gonna target your lower chest, all right? So you're gonna go 10 more here. Really focus on squeezing the lower pecs. 1, 2, 3. The way you get the best contraction is to try to get those elbows as close together as possible. That's the mental image you're creating. 5. 8. 9. 10. All right. You're gonna go straight from there into a wide push-up. Good full range of motion. 9, 1 more. Straight from here, you're gonna do a close grip push-up utilizing a midline contraction. So basically, hands really close. Once you're at the top, you're really focusing on driving those elbows in together to get that midline contraction. 10 more here. Midlines. 2. 3 more. 3. All right. 40 total reps. That was 1 round. All right, you can do 2 to 5 depending on fitness levels. And again, I only did 10. However, feel free to do 15 of each, 20 of each, even 25 of each, 100 total reps. Do that a couple times a week. You're really gonna bring that chest up, all right? All right, guys, if you got any questions about any of these exercises, comment below, let me know. Also, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, share it with your buddies, family members. Also, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and make sure to click over here on one of these other videos. We got tremendous videos for you guys, other cool workouts, nutritional videos as well. But guys, that's all I got. Get busy, get after it, and God bless.